Today we're at Atkins Farms where they're harvesting some wheat, and as you can see, little rabbit has run out of the field, as there often is a lot of wildlife hiding, but obviously the combine disturbs them and off they go on their way. Off he goes. As you can see here, we've got a NewHolland CX 8.9 combine harvester with the McDon header fitted. Allegedly one of the best headers on the market. Also these differ slightly because they have the rubber belt system that takes the cut wheat to the centre before being drawn into the combine harvester for processing, where obviously the seed, the chaff and the straw are all separated. If you like what you see, why not subscribe to the channel to see more of this stuff, and also my other interest, which is canal boats and various other bits and bobs, and give the video a thumbs up please. Everything helps on YouTube. Thank you. We've got the drone shot now of the wheat being collected in the hopper at the top, being fed up by the auger. This year's been particularly hard as the very dry weather has affected the size of the grain, commonly known as the bushel weight, and sadly its crop levels are down, and this hot weather is not helping. It was flooded early on in the year and now everything's being baked. Still, we're never satisfied with the weather in our country, are we? As you can see here, the header lifts up. There's a combine turns round. One with a pass. Let's go back down. Now we're getting close on to finishing the field. As you can see, we have the combine from a different angle this time. Obviously the bare patches in the field, whereas earlier in the year parts of the field were flooded and the seed didn't take. Like I say, now it's seed has ripened early because of the extreme dry weather and sunny weather. And like I said previously, has affected the bushel weight. Just a few pictures at the end here, as we like to have a good time when we come out. As you can see, the flask and the chairs, we have a bit of fun. Thank you for watching. Again, thanks for watching. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.